Okay, so we're gonna do some more of these. Let's look at log base x. Ugh, I don't like the convention of this online curriculum. Equals 0.5. So this is technically supposed to be the base, right? So I'm going to use my own convention. If I say log base b of x equals y, that relationship is b to the y is equal to x. In other words, b in this particular case is x raised to the, instead of 0.5, I'm going to say 1/2, right, is equal to 8. Now, we want to solve for x. This is pretty easy to do. Well, it's not easy. I don't think most kids will think of this right off the top of their head. But what you can do is you could raise this to the second power and raise this to the second power. And what happens is when you multiply the 2 times the 1/2, you're going to get x to the first and then 8 squared. And so you get x is equal to 64. And then that's it.